Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make quick money on Linkbucks. It's a great website to make money with PayPal. First, what you have to do is you gotta make a PayPal if you don't have one, and if you don't know how to make it, I'll show you. First, if this will load, go to www.paypal.com. And then I would do, we'll go to sign up first, and then do Premiere for buy and sell, get started, fill out all the information. I already have one, so I shouldn't do that. Fill out all the information, and then if it asks you to confirm it by email, do that, and then once you have that, go into Linkbucks, and right now that's all I have because I just made it and I've been clicking on links myself. So anyway, I'm gonna log out and show you. Alright, then you're gonna sign up, username, all this stuff. Then see, this is where the PayPal thing comes in. PayPal, you're gonna use your email address for the payment account. Do everything else, go down here, accept, blah blah blah, whatever. And then when you're done with that, do the email thing, email registration, confirmation, and then, sorry, my computer's slow right now, I have Steam open and stuff, so iTunes. Alright, it's not responding, so here, there we go. Alright, then log in. Log in and stuff, and then it'll show you all this crap, but you'll have 0.0000 there. Go to create links, then create a link for like what you want, like YouTube.com, and you're going to have to advertise it somehow. I suggest YouTube or something. Landing page, adult, clean, all ages. We know what that is. Add type. That's what goes on like the Linkbucks at the top or something. I normally do top banner, then linkbucks.com, and then do generate link, and this is the link for it. So that's the link, and $1 per 4,762 clicks. That's how much money you get per click. And I am working on getting Gary's mod right now, and I need some money to do that, so I'll put a link in the description for this YouTube on here. If you can go to that, that'd be great. I can get money for like Gary's mod, and you can do this too for like what you want to get or whatever. So, and then like go to earnings, all this stuff, request payment, and then yeah. So that's what you do, and then so I'm gonna put a link in the description about going to my YouTube through Linkbucks, so I can get money for Gary's mod, and you can use this too. That's basically all you have to do. Thanks, Rigman Z11.